Good morning. It's actually Tuesday, and I usually make my videos on Monday. But last week, week number 7, you completed 8.2 in Hawks. That is data interpretation, so interpreting bar graphs, pie graphs, line charts, histograms, all types of data, and how you interpret that. I love this section. I actually spend more time on this section than we probably should because it's actually a really easy section. But I think reading charts is a really important life skill. If you read the newspaper, if you watch the news, if you look at anything on like the internet, a lot of articles, a lot of data is reported in charts and tables and graphs. And so this might not be the most difficult section, but it's something that's important to me that you leave this class knowing how to read a chart, knowing how to read a graph, because that's just a common life skill. You did your multiple intelligence lab. I'm really looking forward to grading those this week. I love that lab. It's my favorite lab. It's super personal. And I could tell from the discussion boards that you learned a lot about each other. Y'all did a really good job on your discussion boards. It's more interesting than talking about just normal math. This week is week number 8. We're going to continue on with this data interpretation because, like I said, I think it's really important in terms of just a life skill. You're going to do a tipping lab, and that's from an actual article that I got out of a magazine. It's pretty short though. This is a shorter lab. And then you're going to do the Hawks Chapter 8 review and the unproctored Chapter 8 quiz. It is not proctored. So that's this week. Looking ahead, several people have asked me about kind of what's coming up. You'll have one more proctored quiz. It'll be Chapter 5. Let me look at my notes and see what week that's going to be. Okay, that's going to be week number 11, April 18th through April 24th. That'll be your proctored quiz on Chapter 5. And then that'll be the last proctored assignment. So we have one more proctored quiz. It's week number 11, April 18th through April 24th. And then the final exam is proctored. So I'm looking to see what else is coming up. Next week we're going to start Chapter 5, and then we have spring break. And then when we come back after spring break, we will do that proctored quiz. So I hope you have a good week. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next Tuesday.